This is another questions involving indices, and this has to do with addition of indices as in my last video. So how do we do this? The first step, you want to make sure the bases are the same, and the common base you can use is 5. So 625 is the same thing as 5 raised to power of 4. So 5 raised to power of 4 bracket 3x over 4 minus 1, and plus 125 is the same thing as 5 raised to power of 3, and bracket x minus 1, and all over 5 raised to power 3x minus 2. Now, according to law of indices, these two powers will multiply each other. So 4 times 3x over 4, that is 3x, and this becomes 5 raised to power 3x. Then 4 times minus 1, that is equal to minus 4. So this 4 will multiply this, and at the same time it will multiply this one. Then plus 5 raised to power 3 times x, that is 3x. 3 times minus 1, that is minus 3. And all over 5 raised to power 3x minus 2. Then the next step, I want to split these indices into two parts. 5 raised to power 3x minus 4 is the same thing as 5 raised to power 3x times 5 raised to power minus 4, according to one of the laws of indices. Then plus 5 raised to power 3x minus 3 is the same thing as 5 raised to power 3x times 5 raised to power minus 3. And I want to do the same thing to this denominator. So 5 raised to power 3x times 5 raised to power minus 2. Then the next step is to factorize. So what is the highest common factor here? We have 5 raised to power of 3x. So 5 raised to power of 3x is common to this and this. Then what about 5 raised to power minus 4 and 5 raised to power minus 3? Whenever we have two numbers of different powers like this, the highest common factor is always the one with the lower power. The highest common factor is the one with the lower power. So the one with the lower power here is 5 raised to power minus 4. Don't forget, minus 3 in mathematics is bigger than minus 4. So 5 raised to power minus 4 here is another highest common factor. Now, brackets. Now, 5 raised to power 3x, we cancel 5 raised to power 3x. Then 5 raised to power minus 4, we cancel 5 raised to power minus 4. And that will give us 1. Then plus 5 raised to power 3x, we cancel 5 raised to power 3x. Now, let's now do this carefully. So 5 raised to power minus 3 divided by 5 raised to power minus 4. According to law of indices, we are going to subtract their powers. And that is going to give us 5 raised to power minus 3 minus 4. And don't forget, minus times minus is plus. So this is 5 raised to power minus 3 plus 4. And minus 3 plus 4 is just 1. So this is 5 raised to power of 1, and that is 1. So 5 raised to power minus 3 divided by 5 raised to power minus 4 is equal to 5. So we are done with that factorization. Then all over 5 raised to power 3x times 5 raised to power minus 2. Then 5 raised to power 3x can cancel 5 raised to power 3x. Then we are left with 5 raised to power minus 4 bracket 6 all over 1 plus 5 is equal to 6. Then all over 5 raised to power minus 2. And according to law of indices again, we want to divide this by this. So since they have the same basis, we are going to subtract the powers. And this becomes 5 raised to power minus 4 minus 2. Then times 6. don't forget this 6. And this becomes 5 raised to power minus 4. Minus times minus, that is 2. So plus 2. Then times 6. And this is now equal to 5 raised to power minus 2 times 6. Minus 4 plus 2 is equal to minus 2. So that is 5 raised to power minus 2 times 6. Again, according to one of the laws of indices, 5 raised to power minus 2 is rewritten as 1 over 5 raised to power of 2. Then times 6. And the final answer is 1 times 6, 6 over 5 raised to power of 2 is 25. That is the final answer. Thanks so much for your patience. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share.